Welcome back to Infoverse Daily. Today, we're counting down the most jaw-dropping megaprojects ever built by humanity. These aren't just big, they're engineering marvels that reshape landscapes and push the limits of possibility. From ancient wonders to futuristic cities, these projects cost billions, employ millions, and change lives. We'll break down the science, the engineering, and the sheer audacity behind each one. I've picked the top 10, some completed icons, some ongoing game changers. Stick around for number 1. It's straight out of a sci-fi movie. Let's get started. Number 10 takes us to the Netherlands, where a third of the land is below sea level. After a devastating 1953 flood, the Dutch engineered the Delta Works, a vast system of dams, dikes, and storm surge barriers. The crown jewel is the Messlankering, two colossal arms that swing shut to protect Rotterdam from the sea. Fully automated, it's only closed twice for storms, but stands ready 24/7. The Delta Works took over 40 years and billions of dollars to complete. It's not just a wall, it's a dynamic, intelligent system balancing safety and ecology. The Dutch didn't just solve a problem for themselves, they built a solution for generations. It's a testament to human ingenuity and long-term planning. When we put our minds to it, we can engineer ways to live with, and even tame, nature's most destructive forces. That's why the Delta Works is one of the 7 wonders of the modern world. Number 9 is Songdo, South Korea, a city built from scratch on reclaimed land, designed to be smart from the ground up. Songdo's waste system uses underground pneumatic tubes, no garbage trucks, just instant automated disposal. Over 40% of the city is green space, and buildings are built to high environmental standards. Rainwater is collected and reused citywide. Sensors monitor everything: traffic, energy, water, feeding data to a central control room. Operators can adjust traffic lights, spot energy waste, and manage services in real time. Streets are pedestrian and cyclist-friendly, encouraging sustainable living. Songdo is a living experiment in urban efficiency and sustainability. It's a city that runs like a finely tuned machine. The future of urban life is already here, and it's smarter, greener, and more connected than ever. That's why Songdo makes our list. Number 8 is China's south-to-north water transfer project, an audacious plan to move water where it's needed most. The north is dry, the south is wet, so China is building canals and tunnels to send billions of cubic meters of water northward. The central route alone stretches over 1,200 kilometers, crossing mountains and even the Yellow River via a massive aqueduct. The engineering challenges are immense: earthquakes, water pressure, evaporation, and pollution. When finished, the project will divert nearly 45 billion cubic meters of water annually. It's a lifeline for northern cities, but comes with huge costs: environmental impact, displacement, and a price tag over $62 billion. It's a monumental gamble to solve a fundamental resource problem. The scale is almost unimaginable, an artificial river system overlaying an entire country. It's one of the boldest attempts to reshape nature for human needs. That's why it's on our list. Number 7 takes us to Dubai and the Palm Jumeirah, an artificial island shaped like a palm tree. Built with 94 million cubic meters of sand and 7 million tons of rock, it's a luxury destination with miles of new beachfront. Engineers use GPS-guided dredgers to sculpt the palm's precise shape. The breakwater protects the island, while channels allow seawater to circulate and prevent stagnation. The project required satellite precision and innovative construction techniques. The Palm Jumeirah is visible from space and expanded Dubai's coastline dramatically. It's a symbol of ambition, turning a sketch into a world-famous address. Building an island from scratch redefined what's possible in engineering. Dubai didn't just build up, they built out into the sea. That's why the Palm Jumeirah is a modern wonder. Number 6 is the Burj Khalifa in Dubai, the world's tallest building at 828 meters. Its Y-shaped, spiraling design confuses the wind, preventing dangerous swaying. The foundation relies on 192 deep piles drilled into desert sand and rock. Special high-pressure pumps and custom concrete were needed to build so high. The Burj Khalifa is a vertical city: apartments, hotels, offices, and the world's highest observation deck. It requires its own substations and water systems, pumping nearly 1 million liters daily. Every aspect pushed construction technology to new limits. It's not just a building, it's a self-contained ecosystem in the sky. The Burj Khalifa proves there's no limit to how high we can build. That's why it's an icon of human ambition. Number 5 isn't on Earth. It's the International Space Station, orbiting 400 kilometers above us, costing over $150 billion. It's the most expensive structure ever built. Every piece was launched into orbit and assembled by astronauts in space. The ISS is larger than a football field, with labs, living quarters, and a 360-degree viewing window. It's been continuously inhabited since 2000, a permanent human outpost in space. Built by a partnership of the US, Russia, Europe, Japan, and Canada, it's a symbol of global cooperation. The ISS is a floating laboratory for science impossible on Earth. You can see it pass overhead, a bright, fast-moving star in the night sky. It's a beacon of human ingenuity and our drive to explore beyond our planet. That's why the ISS tops the list of megaprojects. Number 4 is the Panama Canal, a 77-kilometer shortcut that rewired global trade. Before the canal, ships had to sail around South America, a journey of 20,000 kilometers. The French failed to build it, defeated by disease and landslides. The Americans succeeded by eradicating mosquitoes and switching to a lock-based design. Ships are lifted over Panama via massive locks and Gatun Lake, then lowered back to sea level. In 2016, a new set of locks was added for even larger ships. The canal is a marvel of engineering and public health. It transformed the global economy and continues to evolve. The Panama Canal is proof that solving the right problem can change the world. That's why it's a mega-project legend. Number 3 is the Great Wall of China, an ancient mega-project stretching over 21,000 kilometers. Contrary to myth, you can't see it from space with the naked eye, but its scale is staggering. Built over centuries by different dynasties, it's a network of walls, towers, and fortresses. Construction methods ranged from rammed earth to brick and stone, all done by hand. Millions worked on the wall. Hundreds of thousands died, earning it the nickname, the longest cemetery on Earth. Watchtowers used smoke and fire signals for rapid communication. The wall defined borders, protected empires, and became a symbol of China's perseverance. It's a feat of pre-industrial engineering unmatched in history. The Great Wall is a testament to human determination and vision. That's why it stands as an ancient wonder. Number 2 is China's Three Gorges Dam, the world's largest hydroelectric dam. It spans the Yangtze River, generating over 22,000 megawatts, more than 20 nuclear plants. The dam's reservoir holds 39 cubic kilometers of water, enough to slightly slow Earth's rotation. It provides flood control and clean energy for millions, reducing greenhouse gas emissions. But it came at a cost. Over 1 million people relocated, cities and villages submerged, and environmental impacts on wildlife. The dam is a symbol of both human achievement and the trade-offs of progress. It's a reminder that megaprojects can reshape not just landscapes, but the planet itself. The Three Gorges Dam is engineering on a planetary scale. It forces us to weigh the benefits and consequences of our ambitions. That's why it's one of the most significant megaprojects ever built. Number 1 is The Line, a city in Saudi Arabia that reimagines urban life. It's a 170-kilometer-long, 200-meter-wide city enclosed in 2 mirrored skyscrapers, each 500 meters tall. Designed for 9 million people, it's car-free with all essentials within a 5-minute walk. The city is stacked vertically, with high-speed rail running its entire length. The mirrored exterior blends with the desert, while the interior is filled with parks and natural light. The line will run on 100% renewable energy and preserve 95% of the surrounding nature. The engineering and logistics are unprecedented, building 2 parallel skyscrapers in the desert. The cost is astronomical, but the vision is revolutionary. Whether it succeeds or not, the line is already changing how we think about cities. It's the boldest urban experiment on Earth. That's why the line is our number 1 mega project. That's our countdown of the world's most mind-blowing mega projects. From the Great Wall to the Line, these feats show what's possible when we dream big and engineer boldly. Each project is a story of ingenuity and a lesson in consequences. With great power to build comes great responsibility to consider the impact on people and the planet. Which project amazed you most? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more. Thanks for watching. See you next time.